I walked through valleys, lost the ground, felt the weight of being down. But I heard your gentle sound calling deep within my heart. Even weary, I know you're near. Your voice calls me to persevere. You renew the strength of the weary, give wings to fly in your love. You lift the fallen, heal the broken. Your grace lifts me up. When pain tries to silence me, your word awakens